Jesse can tell you a little bit more about the story than I can, but I know that he scoured the country trying to find a piece of marble like this.
Well, you're exactly right. It kind of really all started with a magazine picture, and we did a little research on the magazine and found out that the stone that they used was out of an old post office from the turn of the century. This is a domestic marble. I was kind of fortunate that we found it on the internet and started looking, and most slabs are max 9 foot. Our problem was here we needed 10 foot plus in length for this. This is called Imperial Danby, and they've got different colors of Danby. They're darker, and this is really the lightest one. This is up here and this kind of flows down. I had to baby this all the way because it was a long piece, and I didn't want anybody else touching it. Took it from raw to where the stage you see it today.
This was custom cut in Vermont. Then I believe that it was trucked from Vermont to, on a semi down to, I believe it was New Jersey, and then back from New Jersey to here. So I can only imagine there was some sleepless nights as this sat on a semi as before it was able to arrive here in Indianapolis in Jesse's shop.
It turned out to be a beautiful piece of stone.
I think that what really makes this process work was the communication, not only with myself and Jesse and with the clients and Gary Nance. I mean, this was a 4-month deal before it was installed. So I think that all that constant communication back and forth and making sure that you see the same thing we see in these samples that this quarry sent to us, because once we said that this is what we wanted, we put a down payment down, and if it comes from Vermont to New Jersey to Indianapolis and they don't like it, we're in big trouble.
If you look at the backsplash, you've got the same kind of material on the walls. They actually came in large tile forms, and we had to cut all these pieces down to 3x6.
Really, he took this slab material of this marble and was able to cut it down to give it this subway tile look, and what we wanted to do is to be able to have this accent on the wall of what's also on the island. So that's the really great thing about Jesse, is that whatever we're looking for is Jesse's able to provide us. And I think that whether clients, whatever direction they move forward with, I think that we offer a lot of advice to a client. What we're about is really being able to give a lot of different information so that the homeowner can make an educated decision.